everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. The summers are here and during these hot summers I think we all would love something nice and cold, and if they are desserts it's all the more great. Today I'm going to share two wonderful dessert recipes. So one is this chocolate shake sundae and the other one is this nice popular Gadbad ice cream. So we're going to make this in layers and we're going to stack it up in these nice tall glasses. You wouldn't want to miss this. So let's get started and check out these wonderful recipes. To the saucepan, add half cup of fresh cream. Make sure you keep the flame on complete low till you make the ganache. You don't want to burn the cream. To this I'm adding 200 grams of semi-sweet dark chocolate. So you need to wait till the chocolate completely melts. Maintain the flame at a low. So I'm using a whisk to mix so it will all mix nice and even. So there won't be any lumps. So I think all the chocolate is melted beautifully. Turn off the stove and keep it aside. Now I'm going to make the chocolate milkshake. For this, take 1 cup of full fat milk. To this, I'm going to pour a little bit of the prepared chocolate ganache. I'm cutting a few pieces of the chocolate brownie. They're very soft and very nice, perfect for making desserts. You can see they're so soft and so spongy and so tasty. Now I'm going to assemble the chocolate shake sundae. So take a nice tall glass. I'm adding a few pieces of chocolate brownie. Next I'm going to add the chocolate ganache. You can also add the chocolate syrup. So next I'm going to add the chopped nuts. So I've taken some cashew nuts, almonds and walnuts. Just add a few pieces of Oreo biscuits. So this being a very nice chocolate shake sundae, I'm adding a lot of chocolate in this. This is definitely a chocolate lover's delight. Now I'm going to add the chocolate milkshake. Now I'm going to add a scoop of vanilla ice cream. You can also add chocolate ice cream. The ice cream is of your preference. Next I'm going to layer it with a few more brownie pieces. Now pour the chocolate ganache. This is definitely a very rich and very dense dessert. Definitely a very filling dessert. It has a lot of layers to it and a lot of texture as well. Top it with a few more nuts. Top it off with another scoop of ice cream. You can also have a combination of ice cream flavors like 1 scoop of chocolate and 1 scoop of vanilla. It's up to you. So finally, I'm going to finish off with some chocolate wafers. So there you go. Here is this absolutely decadent and delicious chocolate shake sundae. I'm just going to chop a few fruits. So I'm just taking apple, just cut into small pieces. So next I'm cutting a banana, just chop it into small pieces. Taken a few green grapes. Now these are a bit large, so I'm just cutting them into half. So I'm going to assemble the ice cream. First, I've taken a scoop of vanilla ice cream. Next, add some fresh fruits. Add some apple, some banana, some grapes. Also add some chopped cashew nuts, a few raisins. Next, add some strawberry ice cream. Next, add a little bit of the save. Next, add a little jelly. This is strawberry jelly. I'm going to top it off with another layer of fruits. Some dry fruits and nuts. Finally, top it off with a large scoop of butterscotch ice cream. Top it off with a glazed cherry. Wow, those desserts look absolutely amazing. Let me tell you, they are a must try. So do try the recipes, enjoy and share with your family and friends. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now. So you can place your orders on 21frames.in.